Hi friends, welcome back to Abhinav's and Craft channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a basic bird painting. Okay, let's start it. For making this we need one pencil and a drawing book. First take the pencil and draw a circle like this. We are going to make a bird which is sitting, so that for that you need to make like this and a oval shaped back circle. This is the head and its body. Now we'll make its wings. See, first we need to draw a straight line. Now you need to make it like a semicircle like this. See, and one more wing like this, straight line. And now we need to make a semicircle. Now I am going to show you how to make a tail. We need to make it like a triangle. See, like this. See, like this. And now we are going to make eyes. See, like this. Now we need to make the mouth. See, first we need to draw a line and you need to make it like this curved one and one more curve, and that's it. Our mouth is also done. Now we'll make legs. First you need to make it a cross line like this and one more cross line like this. Now you need to make it foot like this. Do one more leg, 3 lines. Okay, now we'll take colors and color this. I'm taking red color to color the mouth. See, your wish, you can color anything, and I'm coloring even body. Now I am coloring wings green color. And the second wing also. Now I am coloring the now I am coloring the tail with blue, like this. Now color the head with yellow like this. Slowly you need to color. Now color the eyes. Color with black. See, keep only one like this. See, I have kept the eye. Now draw the outline slowly. First head and the mouth like this, and the body and the wing and second wing and the body. Now tail and the legs. Now our bird is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.